Key facts on general agriculture. Biotechnology. The term biotechnology was given by Carl Erecki, who conducted plant and animal produce sexually. William Harvey, who isolated nucleic acid first and term as material, is Friedrich Miescher. A genetic code was cracked by Marshall Nirenberg and co-worker. Then who synthesized infectious viral DNA into using natural viral DNA by author Korenberg. Then the test the test used to identify carcinogenic substances, AIMS test. Who create synthetic version of human insulin and inserted into Escherichia coli is Herbert Bower. A polymerized chain reaction was discovered by Kerry Mullis. A procedure for site-directed mutagenesis was developed by Michael Smith. The term somaclonal was given by Larkin and Screwcraft. First transgenic crop produces tobacco. Antibiotic resistance developed in 1982. First clone animal is Dolly. A restricted enzyme were discovered by Aber, Hamilton, Smith and Delian. The amino acid sequence insulin was discovered by Friedrich Sanger. The Human Genome Project was launched by 1990. Human Genome Project was completed in 2003. Father of plant tissue culture, Haberland. The ability of one cell to develop into whole plant is totipotency. The term totipotency, coined by Morgan, father of micropropagation, is Boll. The Caelus culture was developed by Gauthret. Embryo culture was first demonstrated by Liebeck. Widely accepted plant tissue culture media, MS medium, and developed by Murisagen Skog. Anther culture for haploid plant production was developed by Guha and Maheshwari while working with Dhatura. Then natural genetic engineering is Agrobacterium. Pre-zygotic barrier to wide hybridization can tackle with in vitro pollination. Embryo absorption is a post-zygotic barrier. Then who demonstrate the feasibility of enzyme degradation for obligating large-scale viable protoplast cooking. Who reported regeneration of complete plant from isolate protoplast is Tech B. Who reported generation of complete plant from isolate protoplast is Tech B. A step in protoplasmophism કહ્યું છે agglutination, bridge formation and rounding off. These are the steps of protoplasmophism. Then nucleus from one parent and cytoplasma from another parent is fused is known as hybrid. Haploid plant are directly produced from anther and anther culture. Haploid plants are directly produced from anther and pollen culture. A variation originated in tissue culture cycle is somaclonal variation. The widening of planted during micropropagation is vitrification. Somatic embryo encapsulated inside the coating which analogous zygotic seed is known as synthetic or artificial seed. A virus-free plant can be produced by meristem culture. The phenomena of mature cell reverting to the meristem state and forming undifferentiated callus tissue is known as dedifferentiation. The phenomena of conversion of component cell of callus tissue to whole plant organ is known as redifferentiation. Attain of biological organization is termed as morphogenesis. shoot formation is cheilogenesis, while root formation is known as rhizogenesis. De novo origin of organ, either shoot or root from culture tissue, is organogenesis. De novo origin of embryo with a distinct root and shoot pole on opposite end from the somatic cell or cell culture in vitro is somatic embryogenesis. High oxygen to cytokinin ratio promote root formation. High oxygen to cytokinin ratio promote root formation. Low oxygen to cytokinin ratio means high concentration of cytokinin promote shoot formation. Embryo like structure from culture tissue is embryoid. Embryo formed from egg plant directly is known as direct embryogenesis. Embryo arise from callus induced from egg plant is indirect embryogenesis. The concentration of inorganic nitrogen media is 25 mm to 60 mm. At a low nitrogen concentration, presence of which element enhance the formation of somatic embryo is potassium. At low nitrogen concentration, presence of which element enhance the formation of somatic embryo is potassium. Widely used energy source in PTC media is sucrose. Widely used solidifying agent in PTC media is agar. Energy medium sucrose, PTC medium agar. The browning of PTC media it is due to polyphenolic compound released by cut end. A browning media can be prevented by adding activated charcoal. Widely used osmeticum is sorbitol and mannitol. Widely used osmeticum is sorbitol and mannitol. Widely used cryptoprotectant is DMSO. Commonly used cytokinin in PTC media is BAP, 2IP, kinetin and zenatin. A continuous agitation required for liquid media. A cell suspension culture commercially used for secondary electrolyte production. A protoplast can be isolated by mechanical and enzymatic method. Enzyme used for degrading wall is cellulase, hemicellulase and pectinase. Bulbosome technique, a kind of chromosome eliminated from interspecific hybridization, is bulbosome technique. It utilized for haploid plant protection. Haploid plant production. In vitro androgenesis is promoted by pre-treatment of culture anther અથવા pollen grain. In vitro androgenesis is promoted by pre-treatment of culture anther or pollen grain by temperature shock, gamma radiation and centrifugation. Non-heritable phenotypic variation is epigenic variation. When it is not heritable phenotypic variation, it is epigenic variation. The soma clonal variant for resistant to drought are screened by subjected to them with mannitol. A soma clonal variant for a resistance to frost are screened by subjecting them with hydroxyproline. The gene male sterility are located in mitochondrial genome. The gene for new source of male sterility, either Burness or Bernstein system transgenic male sterility, are isolated from Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. A variety developed from somaclonal selection, તેમાં છે sugarcane, Uno resistance fizzy disease from Pindar parent, then geranium for a velvet rose, then blackberry, Lincoln Logan thornless, mustardમાં Pusa jaykisan, bolded seed from Varuna parent. These are the variety of sugarcane which are developed by somaclonal variation. Sugarcaneમાં Ono, geraniumમાં velvet rose, પછી બ્લેકબેરીમાં લિંકોંગ લોગન, મસ્ટાર્ડની અંદર પુસા જયકિશન and parent Varuna. rDNA technology was developed by Boyer and Cohen CDS is a anionic detergent, while CTBAB is a cationic detergent. Anionic detergentમાં આવશે SDS, while cationic detergentમાં આવશે CTAB. A widely used method of isolate DNA is CTAB protocol. CTAB protocol was first developed by Murray and Thompson. The thermostable DNA polymerase enzyme is used in PCR is Taq DNA polymerase. Taq polymerase was isolated from a Thermus aquaticus oligonucleotide sequence which flanked the gene of interest is primer. Oligonucleotide sequence which flanked the gene of interest is primer. The enzyme that degrades DNA is DNase, while the enzyme that degrades RNA is RNase. The enzyme that joins DNA fragment is DNA ligase. The DNA sequence that synthesis from utilize RNA template strand is known as cDNA. It is complementary DNA. The DNA sequence synthesis from utilizing RNA as template is known as cDNA. The element required for activity of DNA polymerase as well as DNase is Mg2+, acts as carrier cofactor. Then next, the enzyme required for synthesis of cDNA is reverse transcriptase. The enzyme required for synthesis of cDNA using reverse transcriptase. The enzyme reverse transcriptase was discovered by Howard Temin and David Baltimore. Then enzyme that cleave the DNA into fragment at near specific recognition site within the molecule is restriction enzyme, a restriction endonuclease. Then a nucleotide sequence that is read same either direction on complementary strand is a palindrome sequence. The restriction enzyme which cut site approx 1000 bp away from the recognition site is type 1, example Escherichia coli. The restriction enzyme which cut within recognition site is known as type 2, Escherichia, example EcoRI, Hind3, BAM3, PST1 and LU1, that are example. An enzyme which removes successive nucleotide from the end of polynucleotide molecule is known as endonuclease. The restriction enzyme that recognize the same nucleotide sequence but cleave at a different site is neochizomers. An enzyme recognize the same sequence but cut different sites is known as isochizomers. A chemical sequencing is a Maxim-Gilbert method. Chemical method of sequencing is Maxim-Gilbert method. The chain termination method of sequencing is Sanger sequencing. Vehicle used to transfer gene of interest to target cell is a vector. એટલે આપણે આમાં જોઈ લેશું પાછું નિયોકિઝોમર જે છે એ રિસ્ટ્રિક્શન એન્ઝાઇમ છે. એ રિકોગ્નાઇઝ ધ સેમ ન્યુક્લિયોટાઇડ સિક્વન્સ બટ ક્લેવ એટ અ ડિફરન્ટ સાઇટ, એને આપણે નિયોકિઝોમર કહીએ. જ્યારે આઇસોકિઝોમરમાં કેવું થાય કે એન્ઝાઇમ છે એ સેમ સિક્વન્સને રિકોગ્નાઇઝ કરે પણ એ ડિફરન્ટ જગ્યાએથી કટ કરે. ઓની અંદર નિયો છે એની અંદર સેમ ન્યુક્લિયોટાઇડ હોય, આઇસોકિઝોમરમાં એવું ન હોય. Physical or chemical method for transfer gene into target cell is known as electrophoration, lipoification, silicon carbide and wire method, silicon carbide wire method, PEG upon calcium +2 method, micro injection method, gene gun method. Physical chemical method for target gene to ટાર્ગેટ સેલ એમાં ઘણી બધી મેથડ છે. ઇલેક્ટ્રોપોરેશન, લિપોફિકેશન, સિલિકોન કાર્બાઇડ વાયર મેથડ, PEG/Ca+2 method, then micro injection Zingan method. Zingan method is also known as ballistic or particle bombardment method. Biological method for transfer of gene is agrobacterium mediated transfer. Agrobacterium is a gram-negative soil bacterium, a circular DNA fragment having ability to replicate independently present in bacterial cell is plasmid. Agrobacterium tumefaciens cause crown gall disease. Agrobacterium rhizogene cause hairy root disease. The portion of Ti plasmid that is inserted to host plant genome is tDNA. In plasmid, the region having unique restriction site for various restriction enzyme is multi-cloning site or polylinker. The region originated replication of plasmid in prokaryote is ORI region. The region originated replication of plasmid in prokaryote is ORI region. Blue or white screening is possible through medium is X gel. The features of plasmid and phase vector visible in cosmid. Subtle vector capable in replicating two or more hosts. Then separation technique which separates charged biomolecule based on their charge and molecule weight is known as gel electrophoresis. DNA is a net negatively charged. The similar reason for origin of replication ORI in east artificial chromosome autonomously replicating sequence. Blotting is done for detecting sequence of protein. Blotting technique for DNA. Southern blotting. It was developed by Southern in 1975. Blotting technique of DNA is developed by Southern. Is known as Southern blotting. Blotting technique in RNA is known as Northern blotting. Then blotting technique for protein is Western blotting based on antibody antigen reaction. DNA હોય તો Southern, RNA હોય તો Northern and protein હોય તો Western. The vector able to express the intercept gene is expression vector. The transgenic crop having highest area under cultivation is soybean. Then genetic modified golden rice have high amount of beta carotene precursor of vitamin A. Generally modified BT cotton was approved in India in 2002. First transgenic crop rich market is flower sour developed by Calgene based on gene silencing. BT cotton was isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis. DNA fingerprinting developed by Alec Jeffrey. There are various molecule marker. First, RFLP restriction fragment length polymorphism. Then second, RAPD randomly amplified polymorphic DNA. Then third, AFLP amplified fragment length polymorphism. Fourth, SSR simple sequence repeat. Fifth, SNP single nucleotide polymorphism. Next, which type of market can be detected homozygous, heterozygous, homozygous and heterozygous individual is codominant marker. Which type of marker can detect homozygous and heterozygous individual is codominant marker. Then dominant marker are RADP and AFLP that are dominant marker. RAPD and AFLP while codominant marker is RFLP and SSR. RFLP and SSR they both are codominant marker. Non-PCR based marker is RFLP southern hybridization based marker. Then PCR based marker is RAPD, AFLP and SSR. RAPD restriction marker was developed by Williams. RFLP was developed by Voss. The marker, the marker which detect polymorphism in respect to restriction site is RFLP and AFLP. The marker which detect polymorphism which primer binding site એના ગોતવા માટે RAPD. A marker which detect polymorphism in respect to repetitive sequence is SSR. Indirect selection process based on presence of target gene utilizing marker is marker assisted selection. The gene or locus contribute toward development of quantitative character is quantitative trait loci. Commonly used mapping population is recombinant inbreed. Recombinant inbreed line double haploid back cross F2 nearly isogenic line. These are used for making population. Then permanent mapping population is RILNDH. The marker should be ideally located at distance less than 0.5 centimorgan. Then method M has assembling the multiple desirable gene from multiple parent into single genotype is gene pyramiding. The selection for plant having marker allele of donor parent at a target locus is foreground selection. The selection for recurrent marker allele in all genomic region except target locus and the target locus is selected on the basis of phenotype is known as background selection. Next, seed technology. The material, either seed, fruit or any vegetative portion meant for raising new generation is known as seed. The International Seed Testing Association was established in 1924. International Seed Testing Association ISTA was established in 1924. All India Seed Grower Merchant and Nurseryman Associate was found in 1946. Golden period for agriculture research and development is second 5-year plan 56 થી લઈને 61 સુધી. The 4 hybrid of maize were released in 4 years after starting AICRP on maize that are Deccan hybrid મક્કા રણજીત ગંગા 1 અને ગંગા 101. ગંગા 101 ગંગા 1 ગંગા 101 રણજીત અને ડેકાન એના સિવાય હાઇબ્રિડ મક્કા 1961 માં રિલીઝ થઈ. ARCRP on sorghum and bajra started in 1961. AICRP on sorghum and bajra started in 1961. First sorghum hybrid is CSH1 released in 1964 from New Delhi. Bajra hybrid HB1 released in 1965 from Punjab. Sorghum variety 1964 માં ન્યૂ દિલ્હીથી રિલીઝ થઈ અને બાજરા વેરાયટી HB1 from Punjab. National Seed Corporation established in 1963. High yielding variety program launched in 1966. Then Tarai Development Corporation established in 1969. Indian Society of Seed Technology. Indian Society of Seed Technology was established in 1971. Seed Bill was introduced in 1966 while Seed Bill Act enforced throughout the country in 1969. Seed certification was begun in Sweden during 19th century. The seed testing laboratory was established by Professor F. Nob. The International Crop Improvement Association is formed in 1990. The International Crop Improvement Association formed in 1990. The Central Seed Testing Laboratory located at IARI, New Delhi. World first seed testing laboratory established in 1969 Germany. Schizocarp fruit are found in Apiaceae family. Fruit of sunflower is acan. A condition found in sunflower and maize is protandry condition. The condition found in bajra is protandry condition, protogyny condition, while condition found in sunflower is maize and proteinary condition. The condition found in bajra is protogyny condition. Caryopsis fruit type are found in wheat, pearl millet and sorghum etc. એમાં કેરિયોસિસ ફ્રૂટ ટાઈપ જોવા મળે છે. A single seed shaped cotyledon of maize is known as cotyledon. The factor responsible for varietal deterioration is mechanical mixture, development variation, mutation and natural crossing and minor genetic variation. A plant from previous season is called as volunteer plant. Removal of off-type plant is known as rogging. The distance required to avoid undesirable or natural crossing from another variety of same crop is isolation distance. The genetic purity of seeds should be assured through proper rogging and maintain isolation distance. Seed coat is composed of testa, which is outer layer, and tegmen is the inner layer. Seed bud is a ovule. Then seed leaf is cotyledon. In non-endospermic seed, which organ is act as storage organ is cotyledon. Non-endospermic seed હોય એની અંદર organ act as storage organ is cotyledon. Most of the legume are non-endospermic. The seed which withdrawal drying up to low content 5 to 10 percentage and can be stored low temperature is orthodox seed. Example wheat, rice and maize. Second, the seed cannot tolerate drying below relatively high moisture content 20 થી 50% and cannot store at longer period, then it is called recalcitrant seed. Example rubber, papaya and coconut. A dicot albuminous seed is pea, beans and cucurbits. Dicot X albuminous seed is castor. Dicot albuminous seed is pea, bean and cucurbit, while dicot X albuminous seed is castor. The integumentary outgrowth present over micropyle in castor is known as caruncle. Epigenial germination is found in sunflower, castor and bean. Hypogeal germination is found in wheat, maize, pea and gram. Endosperm of rice 3n is equal to 30. Then the whole covering nucellus through which a pollen tube usually passes during fertilization is micropyle region. Fiber content of cotton or fiber of cotton are outgrowth of testa cell. The inability of seed to germinate under favorable condition is seed dormancy. The most abundant type of dormancy is physiological dormancy. The dormancy caused by one or more water impermeable layer is known as physical dormancy. Under mechanical scarification, the mechanical scarification can break physical dormancy. Under development, embryo result in morphological dormancy. The growth regulator used to breaking dormancy is GA3 gibberellic acid and ethyl. The chemical used for breaking seed dormancy is KNO3 and thiourea. The method used for testing seed germination is ragdoll and pepper method. Mother seed is nucleus seed. Breeder seed is formed from nucleus seed. Foundation class seed is produced from breeder seed on government organization or government farm. Genetic purity nucleus seed ni 100%, breeder seed ni 99.9%, foundation seed 99.5%, certified seed 99%. The seed tag color of breeder seed is golden yellow. Seed tag color of foundation seed is white. Seed tag color of certified is azure blue. Seed tag of registration seed is purple, not found in India. The seed color of truthful label seed is opal green. The class of seed which available for commercial cultivation for growers is certified seed. The seed certification not required for truthful label seed. NSC is the responsible for production of foundation seed. NS is the responsible for production of foundation seed. Next is a trueness of cultivar is a genetic purity. Weight of 1000 seed in gram is test weight. Weight of 100 gram seed is a seed index. The enzyme responsible for pollen release in kelase. The characteristic of gymnosperm is necked seed. The outermost layer of endosperm is alluline layer. It contains protein granule. The sample taken from one point from the lot is primary sample. The sample formed by combining and mixing primary sample is composite sample. A sample submitted to laboratory is submitted sample. The sample which actually seed for quality test is working sample. The process of mechanically scaring or rubbing hard coat to making more permissible to water is scarification. The processing exposing seed imbibing water to low temperature condition for a few days prior to germination is starification. Sugar found large amount in germinating seed is maltose. Sugar found large amount in germinating seed maltose. Grow out test is done for determinate genetic purity. Phenol test is done in wheat, barley and oat. Seed coat peroxidase test is done for soybean. Seed coat peroxidase test is done for soybean. NaOH test is done for groundnut. Quick viability test is tetrazolium test. Top of paper method for germination is used in small size seeded. The accelerate aging test is done in soybean. Alkaloid test is done in lupin. Cold test is done in maize. Blotter method of seed health testing is done for detection of fungi. Then immature seed are also counted as pure seed. The vigor test, which based on decarbogylation activities, ATP test. The vigor test, which is based on decarboxylation activities, ATP test. Then enzyme take part in tetrazolium test is dehydrogenase. A line is a male sterile line. Then B line is maternal line or male fertile line, which is known as isogenic for A, and R line is restore line. A line is maintained by crossing with B. Commercial seed hybrid seed production through cytoplasmic genetic machinery system is crossing by A into R line. The hybrid seed are harvested from A line. Then in CGMS system line involve A and R line, male sterile line, restore line. In CGMS system line involve A, B and R line. GGMS is useful in vegetative propagated crops. The system for producing hybrid seed in bajra is CGMS system. The maintenance of B and line done through growing them in isolation. Plant ratio female into male રાઈઝની અંદર છે 8:2. Planting female to male ratio in rice 8:2. સોર્ગિયમની અંદર 5:2. બાજરાની અંદર 6:2. મેઝની અંદર 4:2. સનફ્લાવરની અંદર 4:1. કેસ્ટરની અંદર 3:1. The process of removing early emerge earhead in bajra to enhance flowering of old tiller is known as jerking. The red color of end product of tetrazolium test is formazan. The gibberellic acid is applied in rice for full panicle extraction. The gibberellic acid is applied in rice for full panicle extraction. The source of male sterility: maize, tetracytoplasma; rice, wild abortive; bajra, twist 23A; sorghum, it is combined kafir 60. કોટનની અંદર જે છે મેલ ટુ ફિમેલ રેશિયો is 4:1 to 5:1. The first castor hybrid in the world is GCH3. Cotton hybrid. The first castor hybrid in the world is GCH3. First cotton hybrid in the world is H4 by C.T. Patel, Surat Station. The first pigeon pea hybrid in the world is ICPH1, genetic male sterility based hybrid by ICRISAT. The first pigeon pea hybrid based on CGMS is GTH1. pigeon peaની GMS બેઝડ હોય તો ICPH અને સાયટોપ્લાઝમિક જેનેટિક મલ સ્ટેરિટી બેઝડ હોય તો GTH1 by SDAU. GTH SDAU બારથી રિલીઝ કરવામાં આવે. Bloom on stem, fruit, petiole and lower side of leaf is known as double bloom. The deleting of cotton seed is done with H2SO4. The presence of male sterile plant and male sterile line is known as pollen shader. Seed multiplication ratio. Groundnut 1:8, rice maize 1:80, sorghum maize gram tuber cowpea 1:100. પછી wheat અને onion 1:20, સોયાબીન 1:16, કોટન અને સનફ્લાવર 1:50, ઓકરામાં 1:30, ગ્રીન ગ્રામ, બ્લેક ગ્રામ, મોથબીન અને ક્લસ્ટર બીન 1:40. then cucumber and bajra 1:200, potato 1:8, castor 1:60, then sesame 1:250, mustard 1:100 and gram and pea 1:10. then objectionable wheat, રાઈસ ની અંદર વાઇલ્ડ રાઈસ ઓરાઇઝા સટાવા વેરાયટી ફાટવા. then wheatમાં કુનવોલવરસ આર્વેન્સિસ, રેપસીડ એન્ડ મસ્ટર્ડ, આર્જીમોન મેક્સિકાના, ઓકરામાં વાઇલ્ડ એબેલ મોસ્કસ સ્પીસીસ. આઇસોલેશન ડિસ્ટન્સ ફોર ફાઉન્ડેશન એન્ડ સર્ટિફાઈડ સીડ. wheat, રાઈસ, ગ્રાઉન્ડનટ અને સોયાબીનમાં 3 મીટર 3 મીટર. then હાઇબ્રિડ રાઈસ બાજરામાં ફાઉન્ડેશન માટે 1000 મીટર, સર્ટિફાઈડ માટે 200 મીટર. હાઇબ્રિડ મેઇઝ 400-200. then કોટન 50-30, કેસ્ટર 600-300, હાઇબ્રિડ સોરગમ 300-200, પીમાં 10 મીટર અને 5 મીટર, રેપસીડ મસ્ટર્ડ 400-200, ક્લસ્ટર બીન કાઉપી 50-25, કુકુરબીસ 1500, ઓનિયન 1500. then ગાર્લિકની અંદર 10 અને 5. then કેબેજ અને કોલીફ્લાવર 1600-1000, બ્રિંજલની અંદર 200-100, ચીલીની અંદર 400-200, ઓકરાની અંદર 400-200, ટોમેટોની અંદર 50-25, કેરેટની અંદર 1000 અને 500. થેન્ક યુ.